game drive with babe.
You ready to see real animals, not the museum ones?
Yeah, we're back home now. Now we are actually at the Rietvlei Nature Reserve here in Centurion. So we've actually entered just now, taking a drive to see real animals. They've got cheetahs, apparently cheetahs, elephants, springboks, rhinos,
hippos,
stuff like that. So we haven't seen anything yet. So when we see something, we're gonna just have a quick shoot. Unfortunately, we can't get out of our videos. Out of our cars. So most of the video is just gonna be taken whilst we're inside our vehicle. So as soon as we see something exciting, we'll be back just now. Hey guys, now here we got some zebras here, nice and big. They look very healthy, hey? And basking in the sun, grazing, chilling out, and it's a beautiful animal. I like the skin. Some people actually take the skin and preserve it and use it as a floor mat, or they can stuff the animal and put it in and use the head and stuff it up and put it in their lounge. So the colors of this animal is quite beautiful. I like it actually. Awesome. And the baby is now having a meal here, having some milk from the mama. Pretty nice stuff, hey. Looks like the zebra's day is coming to a close. Everybody is now chilling. So pretty much the zebras are now trying to rest now. I see two of them are actually sleeping now. So I think it's late afternoon for them and they want to have a rest. Finally we got this boy here, man. A closer range. What animal is this?
I don't know. It's an animal with horns.
It's a family, one of the family of antelopes. Now we have this bad boy right here. Oh, he's running. He gone. Ah, shame. This one only has one horn. One of them is broken. Dang. Not sure what happened there. Now here we found an ostrich. Quite a tall bird, eh? Very, very tall. Busy grazing and all that. Beautiful. There we go. So put his head up, put his head down. Chilling, looking for its prey, whatever it's eating.
Yeah, that is.
Put its heads up.
That's taller than a horse.
Yeah, it's very tall.
You know the people who ride ostriches?
Is it?
Yeah, they do like an ostrich riding competition.
Where?
In some South American country or something. I don't know. I just saw it on the internet.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Yeah, there's an ostrich there. It's well spotted. Nice. There's something interesting going on here. The ostriches are chilling with zebras. There's one ostrich actually sitting next to a zebra. Which is awesome. Oh, now the zebra is going away. But I haven't seen that before. But it's cool. Nice. Yeah, here we go, Mr. Hippo. Finally got him. This bad boy is huge, man. Very, very big, man. Mr. Hippo, there we go, man. Moving slowly but surely, having a good time grazing. Loving it, man. Nice. Guys, that was Rietvlei Nature Reserve. I hope you guys liked our video and hope to be chatting with you soon. Take care and bye for now.